Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, June 7th. Well, we can see some movement here in the NASDAQ market, some positive comments out of Washington regarding China, Mexico trying to do something to resolve some of the issues there. Right now, tariffs are going to be in place on Monday, though, if they don't come to some kind of agreement on that. What do we look for in the NASDAQ market? I look for a stronger close as we go into the weekend. This little guy you see right there, that candle represents Asia. But I do look for follow through in that market. Now, let's take a look at the dollar. What's happening there? We can see that the euro did break down below its bearish level. Magnitude change here is $625 a contract. I'm looking for an inside day. I think if we get some positive news on the U.S. trade relationships, the dollar could be stronger at that point, which means that this market would go lower. And that's what I'm looking for, at least an inside day on Friday. Let's talk about interest rates. And there in the short end of the 10-year notes, what we see here is some bearish action on Thursday. Look for follow through to the downside on Friday. Again, that little guy right there is Asia. But I am looking for weaker prices. And I'm looking for an inside to lower movement also in gold. It made an attempt at running towards those highs, but we're just not seeing the market convinced here. So an inside day I think would make sense. And over in nat gas, we have a lot of natural gas in the United States, and this reflects that. So look for weaker prices, not a dramatic move down, but an inside to lower movement in that market. And I feel that way about soybeans. A little bit further push to the downside possible, but be very careful here. From these levels is where we could find some buyers. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again. And in the meantime, take care.